Test failure due to traffic signal violation. During the driving test, the sat-nav directed the learner to turn right at the upcoming traffic lights. At these traffic lights, we need to use offside to offside turning method. That means we should pass behind the oncoming vehicle that's also turning right. In this image, you can clearly observe the correct procedure for approaching and responding to this traffic light. The solid white stop line indicates the precise point at which a vehicle must come to a complete stop when required, whether at the junction or traffic light controlled area. It's essential to ensure your vehicle stops just before this line without crossing it in compliance with the highway code. This is a repeater or secondary traffic light. It's there for vehicles approaching from our left, so they can see the signal more clearly. Immediately after these traffic lights, there is a pedestrian crossing controlled by its own set of lights. As the learner approached the crossing, the pedestrian crossing signal turned red. A solid white line was clearly marked, requiring the driver to stop if the light is red. The learner attempted to proceed through the red pedestrian signal without stopping. As this posed a potential safety risk, the examiner was required to intervene by applying the dual controls brake pedal. Due to this intervention and the risk of breaching the traffic regulations, the learner was marked as failed for response to sign and signal at a pedestrian crossing.